So one of the things that I've been playing around with lately is understanding abuse and aggregating it so that we can push it back out to network operators so that they can understand what their networks have been seen doing to other people's networks. And a number of folks have asked me about how do I believe you? And after aggregating all this information, no, just give me the video and I'm good. Thanks. So what I'm going to show you today, instead of a bunch of slides, is a real-time, yes, make all this go away. We have a real-time little data visualization of February 8th, I believe, Pacific Standard Time, 5 p.m. And what it's going to show you in just a moment is a global view of what happened during this hour compressed into 10 minutes. And let me see if I can zoom in just on North America, and I'll tell you a little bit about the rest of the kinds of things that we're doing. So this is February 8th, 5 p.m. What Support Intelligence is doing is aggregating currently 130 different data sources. Of those data sources, 90% of them are passive. We have a spam trap that's aggregating 10,000 domains into a very evil SMTP that filters and then bans IP addresses for some length of time, records all this information, stuffs it in a database. All this stuff is aggregating currently 1.2 million events per day, which comes out to about 700,000 unique IPs for the global internet. What we do is we have a number of BGP peers and aggregate the information into the announcements that are made. What we're able to do is then put this into a tool that network operators can use to visualize their BGP announcements and drill down into each prefix that's announced and find out the abuse. This particular tool is a visualization of some of that information that we were able to aggregate for this one day. I can hover over a particular point and it'll tell you, I don't know if it's legible on the screen, it'll tell you the operator, the IP address, and what the issue was about. The reason we picked 5 p.m. on Wednesday, Pacific Standard Time, is because it was a small and visually pleasing set of data. Should we have picked some time Eastern Standard Time around 6 a.m., you wouldn't have been able to see the dots. It would have been a solid mass of colors. So what we're able to do is be able to pinpoint real time with this particular application, just for the visuals, who's responsible for this particular issue, what network it is, what kind of issue it is, and hopefully give you some idea of what's going on. Here we have open relays. Different colored issues are different things. Blue is spam. Here's an insecure web server. These are all real issues on everyone's networks that need to be taken care of. They need to be addressed. And why I'm here is to help disseminate the information so that you can help clean up your own network. We have the capability to import data from various organizations. If you have data about abuse that has happened to you, you can certainly give that to us, and we're happy to redisseminate it. If you have an AS number, I'm happy to tell you what we know about your AS. We can get you logged into our tool, and you can pull down your reports. So if you want to understand how your network is being abused or used or owned, I'd be happy to give you that information. So I get to finish early. We all get to go to the break. If you have any questions. Excellent. Thank you.